Befriend-me. Maybe they're new to town. Oh no, I haven't gotten them a welcome to Maritime Bay Wanna Be Best Friends fruity basket. Come on, Izzy, get it together. So you see, the loop-de-loop will increase yumminess by 36%.
Don't say.
Okay. Sunny! Pin! You ran! Need a fruit basket! No time to explain! Bananas now! Okay. Here, you can have one of my new straws. On the house. Love you, bye!
You know, Twitch, there is one thing about this cave that I'm thankful for. No ponies.
Hi, new friend! Wait, Allura?
You? What are you doing in here?
The door was wide open.
You destroyed the Nova Charm, the one thing that could have freed me from this steaming wasteland.
I didn't mean to, you know, but, I did bring you this. Maybe we could be friends.
I don't want your fruit, and I certainly don't want to be friends. Now get out of here.
Oh, now that's frosty. Ooh, a new friend! Better get them one of my handy-dandy welcome prezzies.
Because it's not just a straw. It's a way of life.
Sunny, new friend! Need a fruit basket! No time to explain! Bananas!
But you just got it.
Thanks, love you, bye! Love these bananas! This is gonna be great! Yeah, this is perfect for her! Thanks, love you, bye! Sunny! Zip! Zip! You friend!
Wait, Izzy, hold it. Who exactly are these fruit baskets for?
I don't know yet, Zipperoonie. But they just moved into a cutie little ice cave down by the beach.
Uh-oh. Who do we know that likes ice? Allura! You have to stay away from that cave, Izzy! Allura is dangerous.
Plus, you destroyed the Nova Charm. I'm sure she's, like, kinda mad at you.
That's why I really should give her some fruit to apologize. You ponies worry too much. Bye, love ya!
Don't worry, we got this.
Hey, Allura, I brought you some fruit.
That's it! I've had enough. You and your hooves and your horns and your sickening desire to be friends. Oh!
Okay, I promise I'll never come back again.
Or I could just make sure that you never bother me again.
Let me out of here! It's kind of cold. Help!
Hey! Let her go! I've got an idea. Follow my lead, sis.
You got it.
Bravery!
Confidence.
Hey!
Up here, furball.
My heroes.
No time to celebrate yet, Iz. Come on!
Get out and stand!
Whoa, where'd you get that, Izzy? It came out of the new vending machine. Wow. favorite pineapple. A candy cane. Yummy.
Pony corn, please. Whoa!
What's going on? I want to turn. What's wrong with this thing?
Whoa, this place is a mess.
What seems to be the problem?
I think the new vending machine is broken. Look, everything has bite marks.
Must be a loose wire or something. Good thing I'm pretty hoovesy with a wrench.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
Don't worry, there's always a trick to these things. You just gotta...
Sunny!
Hitch, over here!
Nailed it.
Hitch? Are we inside the vending machine?
I always wondered how these things worked.
Look, Hitch, more bite marks, just like Seashell's apple. We better check it out.
It looks like all the snacks are being pulled down.
I think we need to get down there.
Down there? Into that scary candy vortex? Sure, piece of cake. Not literally, not literally! Sunny, look out!
I can see a path!
I'm right behind you!
Aim for the soda can! Up ahead!
Cheese puffs, 12 o'clock! Donut emergency! Donut emergency!
Hold on! Hold on!
That's teamwork! Kevin?
Who?
Maritime Bay's most wanted crook. I should have known. You've had your fun, Kevin. It's time to put the lollipop down and come with me. Let's use our words, buddy. Ow! Ow! Ow!
I don't think he wants to talk.
Stay very still, Sunny. I got you. Time to take out the trash. Uh-oh.
Hitch! That's enough. I'm all three pony kinds, wrapped up into one. My cutie mark comes to life with hope bright as the sun. This snack attack is over.
Nice try, buddy. You can come down from that sugar high back at the station. Thanks for having my back in there, Sunny.
Anytime, Hitch. Always.